Hello guys, so in this video I will share stocks which I have selected for tomorrow 26th April 2021. So the first stock is Bajaj Electric above 1180. The next stock is DBL, Dilip Buildcon, which we can buy above 608 to keep stop loss around 600, and it is making we have three highs at same level. Then we have India Mart. So there is a trend line. So if India Mart breaks this yesterday's high, we can buy this above 8390 around this. And this is a small resistance, this swing high 8450, which we can take as a target. If it crosses this 8450, it can move more. So either you can buy here or on this. Then we have Rain Industries. So Rain Industries, it is too high at same level. It didn't sustain yesterday. So we will see this. If it breaks 180, we will buy this. Then we have Green Fly. We just have to wait for 204. We have Bajaj Holding. This I have given in last video as well. I have 3425. But what happened? As I told, don't jump into trade into first 5 minutes. Just watch the first 5 minute candles. After that, if it breaks the level, the first 5 minute candle, then you have to buy above its high. So if throughout the day it breaks this high, this first 5 minute candles high, then you can enter. But any stock, if it is giving breakout on first 5 minute candle, then just avoid it. Wait for the high of that first 5 minute candle. So we can buy this Bajaj Holding yesterday's high 3440 because it is consolidating in a range from some time. Then we have Indoco Remedies. We will buy this above 338. Have Canfin also. It is kind in a range holding here. So we will buy this above 532 this high. Cadila has given a breakout of all time. Looks a bit risky, but as you know, pharma is running, can give some good reward. So we can buy this above 578 and we keep stop loss around 570. Then I have few cash stocks. Suven Pharma, it has given a breakout. Now if it gives this 548, then we can buy. But just uh, keep this thing in mind, like if it breaks the first 5 minute candle, you have to avoid it and wait for the breakout of first 5 minute candle. We have Aztec. This you can keep in radar if it moves above 1150. In cash, we have Apcotex as well. It has given nice breakout. So you can buy this around 196, 197 if it takes support. You can see on 5 or 15 minute candle if it taking support here, or else above this high 208. Manali Petro. This is also looking good. Above 79, yes. And around 83 it has a circuit limit. This has only 10% circuit limit. We have STL Tech above 238 you can buy. Vector Food also looking good above 375. This is making a kind of double bottom. You can buy and swing also if it sustain above 375. If it not hold 375 you can exit. And for shorting I have only one stock which is Sun TV which we can short below 450. These few stocks which can give breakout in future. You can keep in radar like SRF, this thing high 6370, Swaraj. Swaraj you can keep in radar for tomorrow as well. This 141495 or safe side 1500 is important for this. Tata Steel also this this thing high 955. ICICI Pru has a good chart. You see this is its ATH. So this 538 540 zone will be crucial in future. This Atul. Risky players can buy Atul here only. Yesterday's high 7880. 50 point stop loss you have to keep. And safe side is this swing high you have to watch next week. And Kirkland also we have to wait and watch about 202. This Kirloskar Ferris and Thermax also. I will remove this trend line. This 1465. These few stocks I just kept. Otherwise, basically, this is my watch list. The top Bajaj Electric, DBL, India Mart, Pain Industry, Greenply, Bajaj Holding, Indoco, Canfu, Cadila, Suvain. These are cash stocks. Aztec, Apcotex, Manali Petro, STL Tech, Vector Food, and Sun TV. And here, Swaraj, if gives breakout. So this is for tomorrow, guys. Thank you.